Huge news for VEO3 users in EU and worldwide. Now the VEO3 is available globally for all Pro members. So here you can see Josh Woodward is basically working for Google Labs Gemini app, and 8 hours ago he basically announced this. And what you want to do is go on basically onegoogle.com, and to access VEO3 you have to buy the Google AI Pro plan, which costs $21 a month, but only basically $0 for the first month, and Google AI Ultra, which is really expensive, $139 basically for 3 months. I think this is for the first 3 months, but then it will be much more expensive. But what you have to do after that, you go to Google Gemini and you will basically see this video, and here you can see generate with VEO3, which means that you can generate videos with sound. And for example, let's create my first video. Here you can see cinematic 70s horror movie camera look, film grain, vintage camera, handheld footage. So the scene is really old guy is running away from a big black dog. A dog is still far away trying to catch up. Then the old man is shouting. So let's see what he will be shouting. And when you create these VEO3 videos, it will basically take you 1 to 2 minutes, maybe sometimes more. And this is VEO3, the fast generations. There are much better versions, but right now they are only available in USA. But yeah, soon there will be everything available in EU as well. They're probably being really careful because these are really powerful tools. Full tutorial how you can get the AI Pro plan. Go to Gemini, tap the video chip, describe your video, and your video will sound will be ready in minutes. The best part is that you can create 3 videos every day, and you will basically pay $0 extra for the generations. So quite great, and I will give you a link to this post as well, so you can be safe. And here is basically a list of 159 supported countries. So right now, USA, EU, I think he mentioned Indonesia, India. So really great news. So congrats everyone that was waiting. I was waiting and using VPN as well, but we don't have to use VPN right now no more. So let's see what is the video and how great it looks and sounds. So let's see.
Somebody please help me. The dog is trying to bite me and my balls. Somebody please help me. The dog is trying to bite me and my balls.
So we can see the camera look is really great. The vintage camera, horror movie style. The old man is trying to run away from the dog. The dog goes past him, which is the only error, but overall it looks really great. And yeah, you can basically create anything you want except basically fighting or violence or brand stuff. You cannot basically create a celebrity people doing something. But here you can see I can generate 2 more videos today. So this is basically it. Big news. The AI is taking over the world. And if you enjoyed this video, you can get the latest news and the latest thing, on my Discord and on my Patreon. That's where I post first. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.